Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to replace the battery in your Grandstream GAC2570 conference phone. First, use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen all the screws on the device. Carefully peel off the rubber foot to reveal the hidden screws underneath. Once all screws are loosened, use a pry tool to gently work along the edge to remove the back cover. After opening the device, disconnect the speaker cable from the main board to prevent any damage. Then, carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. Replace it with the Sino CS GDM267CL battery, and make sure to secure it with adhesive so it stays in place. Next, reconnect the speaker cable to the main board. Place the back cover back onto the device and fasten it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, reapply the rubber foot to its original position to complete the assembly. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the battery in your Grandstream GAC 2570 conference phone. Thank you for watching.